Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Trip. I'm back at MCM here for Gridlife. About 86, got it all stickered up, ready for time attack. This event I'll be in street class. It'll be my first time doing time attack, so should be fun. Luckily I know this track pretty well. I'll probably be one of the slower cars, but at least I know the track. So hopefully that gives me somewhat of an edge. But still a lot of competition in my class. We're all fancy, got the garages. I'm here with the PhD group. So we got Jacob, got me, got Daniel, got Jimmy Diggs, got Jackie Ding, and we got Mary in the Type O. So we got a pretty big group of cars here. So hope we bring back some podiums. As you can see, I had to change my number one day because 184, my number was already taken. And a lot of the other numbers I wanted were all taken, so I had to just pick a random one. But I'm already done for tech. I'm already registered, so now I'm just waiting to go on track. Hey, I just got back from my first session. Everything did okay. It's more of a, I would say it's more of a warm-up session. Took it pretty easy. Didn't go flat out or anything. I even left traction control on because it's kind of damp out there, and I don't want to send it off the first lap or two. But hopefully I can go a little faster in the next session. Okay, I just got back from my last session. Unfortunately, there was only 3 sessions for today. My fastest time was a 2:26.2, which is faster than my best. So it was a good improvement, but still a little bit down on the list of street wheel drive. So I still have a lot of work to do. I think I'm gonna rotate the tires around from front to back for tomorrow, because yeah, I still have all day tomorrow to try and bake a little bit more time. And but on other news, Jack-a-ding in the T90 Super broke the fastest 200 treadwheel tile. I didn't see him. So that's pretty crazy. With a 208 something, 206, 208.6 or something.
Day 2.
Hey, it's day 2 of Gridlife. Let's see if we can go a little bit faster. I don't know where I'm going to find it, but I'm going to try, because you always got to try. I think everybody's call and PhD groups is still in good working order, so hopefully some of those guys can find more time too. Hey, I've done 2 sessions today. I still haven't been able to beat my best from yesterday. It is a hotter day and I'm running out of tire. So, not having high hopes, but I do have 1 more session to try. But some of my other teammates are doing pretty good today. Hopefully we can get a few podiums out of it. Pretty sure this guy's not getting one.
And then we'll see some, caddy thanks to street class. Yeah, 2 pieces, dude. In front of your face. To 229s, a lot of you guys. It's a Jimmy Diggs. It goes by Jimmy Diggs. Hey, does anybody see Jackie Ding anywhere? Because we got Street Mod coming up next. I don't know where he is. James. Jackie Ding. He looks familiar. He looks familiar. I feel like you look like somebody I just saw. Really? Yeah, a little bit. So much for the good time. And look out! And Gridlife's over.
Okay, that is it for Gridlife and NCM. It was a pretty fun weekend. Had a good time. Like I said, it's the first time doing time attack in the 86. Here together, I did beat my personal best, so that is a plus. I was definitely kind of down on the rankings for street, but I wasn't last, so that's all that matters. So I definitely have a lot of improving to do. Kind of a steep competition when a lot of cars are going against, or either K-Series or turbo cars that can, you know, modify their cars and get more power easier than this damn engine. When the downfall is for this car is it's hard to make power without boosting it or doing engine swap. So yeah, still had a good time, and we got 2 podiums in our group. Jackie Ding and Jamie Diggs both brought home a podium for PhD, so that's awesome. Also, Drew from his Tokyo picked up points, so that's cool too. But we gotta finish packing up so we can drive home. And hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content, more racetracks, more mods, more van stuff, more 86 stuff, give me a sub, give me a like, give me a comment. But until next time, peace out.